own characters on Canva for free. I'm using my free version account. So what you would then do, you're going to scroll down from your menu and you're going to look for these 3 ellipses or the 3 dots. Then you're going to select on the character builder and then you're going to click use to have the character builder be added on your apps to use. Once it has opened up, you're then able to choose a head, face, body, and skin tone as well as hair color. So if you want to see more of the head, you click where it says see all, and then you select the head that you would like to use. You go back and you choose face. You can choose a happy, sad, crying, whatever kind of face that you want. You click back, and then with the body, you have different kinds of bodies that you could be selecting, and you're gonna go back and choose the skin tone and the hair color, and that's it. You're pretty much done. And if you want your character to animate, you're gonna click on the character itself like that, and then you're gonna click on animate, and then you select whatever animation you want. So I want it to be happy and walking, and that's pretty much it. You save your design as a character, and then you can add it on all of your social media posts just to have pizzazz on your designs. If you're enjoying this video, please smash the like button so that YouTube can share it with other designers who can also value this information. I will see you on the next video.